Hey everyone, and welcome to the Johnny Walk channel. Today I'm taking you on a full, immersive walking tour through the beautiful city of Dalat in Vietnam. But we're not sticking to the main tourist roads. The real magic of this city is hidden in its incredible network of back alleys, or hem as they're called locally. We're going to dive deep into these narrow lanes to see where authentic daily life really happens. On this walk, you'll see everything from street food vendors cooking up delicious local snacks to the quiet, peaceful residential lanes. We'll navigate the steep hills and see the unique mix of French colonial and modern Vietnamese architecture. This is a silent walking tour with only the real ambient sounds of the city, so you can feel like you're right here with me. For more context on what you're seeing, please be sure to turn on the subtitles. If you enjoy this kind of immersive travel video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next walk. Alright, let's get started. Enjoy the walk through Dalat.
Hello, hello. Banana.
Banana, yeah.
Ada,